Hey guys, seen a lot of videos about Roland and just wanted to address where he actually is. Apparently he is or has gotten in a little trouble in Wisconsin, and so I found these three cases that are pending against him. They all have the same birth date, and excuse me. I'll hit the first case first. Sauk County case number 2017 TR. TR, for those that don't know, is a traffic, stands for traffic. 010952. County of Sauk versus Tyrese T. Roland. And you can go down here, view the case details. Alright. Apologize for that coming through. Excuse me again, I'm a little bit under the weather. This was filed on November the 16th. Case type, traffic forfeiture. Date of birth. It's got his address, which is all public record. Before anyone says I put this guy out there on the street. But operating without a valid license, first violation. View history of charges. Offense date 11/13 of 17. Defendant Tyrese T. Roland. August of 89 is the birth date. It's got his address in Chicago. His future court date is on January 22nd of 18. 8:30 a.m. room 320. Intake is the description. It's got his citations listed here. Plate number, all that good stuff. VIN number on the vehicle. The officer, all the good information about the arrest or actual traffic ticket. Now, it says court record complaint filed. As you know, there were three, so this will go to the next one. This is case number 2017. TR is in traffic 010951. The other one was 010952. View case details. Traffic forfeiture, filed only, same address, Chicago. Speeding in 55 mile per hour zone. He was going 25 to 29 miles per hour over. I know in the state of Kentucky that is a reckless driving charge. And you can be taken to jail for that here. I don't know about in Wisconsin. Not familiar with their traffic laws. View history and detail of charges. Just did that. Alright. Offense date, same date, 11/13 of 17. It's got the statute, citation. Same address. Same date and time for the future court activity. Sorry, I'm going through this kind of quickly, but it's the same thing we just read. Same officer, same date, same. He just got charged with two different things. Now, you go to the next one, which was the last one, the third charge on that. And this was where it got interesting. This was from August the 16th of 17. This is a criminal case. So, it is Dane County case number 2017 CF, that is for criminal filing or criminal case, 001970, State of Wisconsin versus Tyrese T. Roland. Case status is open. Date of birth, same. His address on here is a little different. Back in August, it says Fitchburg, Wisconsin, which this is once again all a public record. Got the case number, the district attorney's case number. Responsible official, prosecuting attorneys, of course the DA. And it's got her name, which is Valerian Powell. Okay, and here's his charges. I'm going to try to turn this. I don't know if this will work, but Possession of a firearm convicted of out-of-state felony. Possession with intent, probably to distribute, doesn't say that, but heroin, less than 3 grams. It says less than 3 to 10 grams. The first one says felony G. Possession of heroin was felony E. Possession with intent to distribute, I assume, is cocaine. That's less than 1 to 5 grams. Felony F. And possession of THC is a misdemeanor. Now, he pled. It doesn't show his plea on here. So, it says he was charged with the following crimes or offenses: possession of firearm convicted of out-of-state felony, felony G, offense date 8/15. Count 2, possession with intent, heroin, less than 3 to 10 grams, felony E, offense date August the 15th of this year. Count 3, possession with intent, cocaine, less than 1 to 5 grams, offense date. Count 4, possession of misdemeanor THC, which would be marijuana, possibly, or probably, sorry. Offense date August the 15th. Now, it's got his information there. The attorney name, his attorney name. Now, he had, or has, future court date of December the 18th of 17, which would be in like 4 days from now, at 1:30 p.m., which is a conference. It says description status conference, which means that they will probably appear before the court and just update the judge on the status of this case. Alright, this is court record. Notice of hearing. This is the date on this is 12/4. It says additional text. Status conference on December the 18th at 1:30 p.m. And I assume we're going to be working this backwards. Yeah, so let's work it from the front to back. I apologize. Okay, it says on August the 15th, probable cause statement, judicial determination was made. On August the 16th, a complaint was filed. On August the 16th of 17, the case was initiated by electronic filing. August the 16th of 2017, electronic filing notice was mailed to all parties. Also on the 16th, it says an initial appearance was made. And then it has the additional text. Defendant in court, in custody, with attorney John K. Smerlinski, Alexandra M. Keys, appeared for the state of Wisconsin. The defendant received a copy of the complaint. The defendant is Roland, and waived reading. The defendant stood mute, which means he said nothing. Court entered not guilty plea as to any misdemeanor counts. Status conference scheduled for September the 11th, 2017 at 1:30 p.m. Think about that date. September the 11th, 2017 at 1:30 p.m. And think about what was going on in the Kadika Jenkins case during that time. She had just been discovered in the freezer just the day before. So, now, August the 16th, cash bond set for Tyrese T. Roland, $500. Additional text. Defendant shall not use or possess controlled substances or drug paraphernalia without a valid prescription. Defendant shall not possess any type of dangerous weapon. Parties stipulated to waive the time limits for preliminary hearing. Trial Judge -BR5. Now, 8/16 judicial transfer. Notice of hearing on 8/16 of 17 was filed, and then it says the additional text. Status conference on September the 11th, 2017 at 1:30. On August the 16th, cash bond was signed. August the 16th, a report. It says additional text, PSA report. On 8/18, the cash bond was posted, $500. On September the 11th of 2017, there was a status conference, and it says additional text. Defendant appeared. Allison E. Cogbill appeared for the state of Wisconsin. Status conference scheduled for October the 16th, 2017 at 1:30 p.m. On September the 11th, there was a notice of hearing filed. Additional text. Status conference on October the 16th, 2017 at 1:30 p.m. In case you guys don't notice it or have never dealt with the courts, there's a whole lot of redundancy. They will file multiple things that have the same date on them. So that's very common in all courts. It's a lot of paperwork. It says defendant in court with attorney Michael F. Walsh, David A. Hart appeared for the state of Wisconsin. Status conference scheduled for November 20th, 2017 at 1:30 p.m. This was on October the 16th when they went for the other hearing. On October the 17th for the notice of hearing. It says status conference on November 20th at 1:30 p.m. On November the 15th, this is records of prosecuting attorney converted data C file, whatever that means. Let's see. November the 20th, which was their next status conference date. It says a defendant appeared. Awis Khalil appeared for the state of Wisconsin. Status conference scheduled for December the 4th, 2017 at 1:30 p.m. Same thing for the notice of hearing. Okay, so they showed up on December the 4th. It says non-appearance. Additional text. Reporter. Digital recorder. 2:34, defendant did not appear. Dallas B. Montano appeared for the state of Wisconsin. So Ty Roland did not show up for his, what was this called? Notice of hearing. He didn't show up for his hearing on December the 4th. So, on December the 4th, there was a bench warrant issued for Tyrese T. Roland. Also on December the 4th, for the status conference. It says reporter, digital recorder, 2:45, defendant appeared. Dallas B. Montano appeared for the state of Wisconsin. Status conference scheduled for December the 18th, 2017 at 1:30 p.m. So, at 2:34, he was not there. At 2:45, he surfaced on that same day. Now, on December the 4th, it says warrant, capias, commitment canceled for Tyrese T. Roland. He appeared late, and the warrant was not processed. So he didn't show up for the hearing initially. He was running behind, I guess. They went ahead and put onto record that they were going to arrest him and that a warrant was going to be issued. But since he showed up about 10 minutes late, 15 minutes late, they recounted the warrant. Okay? Then it says on December the 4th, notice of hearing. Status conference on December the 18th, 2017 at 1:30 p.m. Now, from just the context clues of this document here, let me turn this back around. What's going to happen is they're going to do the same thing all over again. It's going to be a status conference and a notice of hearing on December the 18th. Because I don't think yeah, that's right. Don't think they've done anything past that on here. I have to roll back up to look. Yeah. So, on December the 18th, they'll probably do a notice of hearing with a status or conference of some sort to kind of keep the judge updated on what's going on. So, that is where the case against Tyrese Roland is at right now. And keep seeing a lot of people posting where is he at. He's probably somewhere worried about his court case. So, he's going to probably be running back and forth to Wisconsin for a little while anyways, with these charges that he's facing there. So, quite possibly going to get some time out of that one. You're facing 3 felonies and a misdemeanor. So, anywho, I just wanted to let someone know that actually cared and was reporting on it or researching it, what I found. And I hope you guys have a good day. See ya.